Hello, in front of me I've got Campark X30. In this video I'll show you how to install dedicated app for your camera. In the beginning, let's enter user manual and download this QR code. Install this app and now open it. On your camera, enable Wi-Fi and now connect with your camera Wi-Fi. Go back to the app and we are connected. Unfortunately, we can't do much thanks to this app. Only taking photos, videos, and checking the videos and photos we've already done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.